Hi everyone, it's Stu here from 3B, and today I'm going to show you how professionals clean their phones to make sure that not only are they super clean but also completely germ free. And as you can see, I've got my grubby little phone here and I'm going to show you how it's cleaned properly, professionally, and to make sure that it's super clean. Key point to remember is we use our phones so much in the very tips of our fingers. We tend to share our phones also, and that means that we sort of really sharing an awful lot of germs, especially with kids these days having modern smartphones that they're sharing and playing games on and going on social media and God knows what else. Their phones can be quite disgusting, and especially with this sort of time of year, sort of autumn, winter, there's an awful lot of nasty viruses floating around. So it's always a good idea, at least once a week, just to grab your child's phone and give it a good once over. So what do you need? Well, first of all, you need two clean cloths. You need, this time, 100% isopropyl alcohol, the strongest that you can get. You have to be very careful with this. It's very flammable, and it's best to get it in a spray bottle like we have here. And of course your phone. Now here I've got my phone, which is a Samsung S10, and I clean it every day, but as you can see, I don't use it too much, but even that's got some nasty on it. And I've got it wrapped. That's you know, there's some sort of doodle design on the back, which is kind of cool. So what do you do first? Well, you use one cloth basically to get the rubbish off, and another one just to sort of clean it up a little bit. Two things to keep in mind are that you don't want any fluid going down these edges. So you want to make sure you don't get fluid down here. This is why I don't use water or anything like this, because even though the phone is waterproof, you can still sort of get those markers tripping, and then when you send your phone in to be sort of, you want to upgrade your phone and you want to sell this one, and somebody checks it and they see that the markers are red, say fluid damage, then you don't want that. So you want to kind of limit that as much as possible. So I tend not to use water. The other thing is, if you're using water, you're not really getting this germ free. That's the key thing, and these are covered. These are germ magnets. So the first thing you do, one cloth. So we'll take one cloth and we'll just a quick sort of spritz on the top, and then we'll just sort of rub it in a little bit. So it's all, and as you can see, the phone sort of repels it a little bit, but that's fine. And then we hold the phone and we just wipe that off. I know it's pretty straightforward, but you would be amazed how much germs and nasty phones get. So that seems okay. We'll do the back. Remember, you don't really do the tops. And then this is a key thing to do the edges and the tops. You just spray it directly onto the cloth, and then just give that a good going over. And you should do this at least once a week with your child's phones, your kids' phones, because trust me, they get super nasty. So, you know, it's kind of there. And then just to finish it off, we get a final cloth and we just give it a good old final buffing up. And there we have it. Just a little scratch there on my phone. But as you can see the reflection of the overhead light I've got, and as you can see, it's super clean. I've got a couple of scratches. I've had this phone a while now, but as you can see, it's super clean, germ free, and ready once again to be mauled at So that's how you make sure your phone is not only super clean, but also germ-free. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell to be alerted when I've done more videos, and give me a like. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Take care.